Choose the right vehicle for passenger transport and profit worry-free and profitable. This tuk-tuk features strong power, large passenger capacity, affordable price, and excellent quality. It is the ideal choice for overseas short-distance passenger transport and scenic spot sightseeing. Equipped with a high-efficiency engine, it delivers stable and abundant power, with smooth start, fast acceleration, and strong climbing performance. Even when fully loaded, it can easily navigate city streets, scenic roads, and rural paths without obstruction. The optimized fuel system ensures economical fuel consumption and low operating costs, allowing high profit from every trip. Featuring a spacious cabin and reasonable layout, it can comfortably carry 6-9 persons, far exceeding ordinary passenger tuk-tuks. Passenger capacity per trip is doubled, directly improving profit efficiency. We offer a cost-effective price with low investment cost and fast payback period. Whether for individual operation or bulk purchase, it achieves low cost and high return. The body is made of high-strength steel with solid welding and stable structure. The chassis is specially reinforced, wear-resistant and durable, able to withstand long-term passenger operation with extremely low failure rate. Comfortable seats and simple interior provide excellent riding experience to attract more passengers. Common parts are easy to source and maintain, bringing greater convenience and greatly reducing long-term operation and maintenance costs. Strong power, large passenger capacity, affordable price, and reliable quality. This tuk-tuk is your ideal partner for profitable passenger transport. Bosses interested in this product are welcome to contact me anytime. Our company has more than 10 years of export experience and will be your reliable partner.